How to transfer crypto from Binance to Exodus wallet. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Exodus wallet is open and ready to receive the cryptocurrency. Next, you'll need to find the receiving address for the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer in your Exodus wallet. This is usually found by clicking on the corresponding cryptocurrency and selecting Receive or Receive Funds. Copy the wallet address to your clipboard. Now, head over to the Binance website and log into your account. Once logged in, find the wallet section and click on Fade or Spot. Locate the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from Binance to Exodus. Click on Withdraw. Paste the Exodus wallet address into the recipient's wallet address field. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Double-check all the details before proceeding. Binance may ask you to confirm the withdrawals via email or through another form of two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to confirm the withdrawal. Now, you will need to wait for the transaction to be processed. This could take some time depending on the network congestion. After some time, check your Exodus wallet to confirm that the cryptocurrency has been successfully transferred. You can track the transaction using its transaction ID and a blockchain explorer. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the cryptocurrency should appear in your Exodus wallet. And there you have it. That's how you transfer cryptocurrency from Binance to your Exodus wallet. If this video was helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share and subscribe.